Hello everyone, this is Sushant Gaonkar, Iconic Career Mentor, recipient of India's Top Career Council Award and number one best-selling author. In my Iconic Career talk show series, I invite professionals who have embarked on this journey to build iconic careers. Today my guest is Dr. Kundan Ingale, a project management professional in the pharma industry. So without further ado, let me start talking to Kundan. Kundan, can you tell me more about yourself? What you do and how you benefit society through your work?
Yeah, okay. Great. Thank you, Sushant. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to talk with you. And thanks for mentoring throughout. So basically, I work as a project manager for early and late stage drug discovery and development projects. I basically enable cross-functional R&D teams to collaborate and deliver innovative solutions for the discovery projects that are at hand. So my job benefits the society in terms of getting drugs for critical diseases to the market as fast as it is possible. So just like for COVID, as it was an emergency and we could find out a drug faster. So that's how I come and play to society.
Wonderful. I think you're in a great position to be of service to society directly through your work. Okay, very few people get that opportunity actually. So wonderful. So thank you for coming on board, Kundan. Kundan, I wanted to discuss with you and get your feedback on your experience with my mentorship program, the Iconic Career Mentorship Program. Can you tell me what was the state of your mind and where were you in your career before you met me? What were some of the challenges that you're facing? Please describe.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, before attending the session from you, I was in the industry for past 10 years, and I was growing in terms of roles and responsibilities. But the way financial growth was happening was very slow, and I was feeling like, okay, I'm doing good, but outside my company, I was not able to find any opportunities and crack in interviews or even get interview calls. So that's what that was the state of mind before attending your first session, and that session was really great. And
so it was like your primary challenges were around growth. You've been in one company for a long time, so there was a comfort zone that was around you. It was difficult for you to break that comfort zone and put yourself back on growth track. So you were interviewing, but you're not getting. You were applying for positions, but you're not getting interview calls, right? So then you decided to enroll in my mentorship program, and you went through the 2 months of the program, the Iconic Career Mentorship Program. Now you've been through the journey of the 2 months and the transformation, and then over a period of time after completing the program, you've had your shares of transformation and wins. Can you share some of them? Like what were some of the major changes, transformations, wins that you have experienced after completing the program?
Yeah. So just to put in some major accomplishments that I have achieved after completing the ICMP program. One of the most important wins that I would say is the number of LinkedIn connections. So before joining ICMP, I had hardly around 1,000 or 1,500 connections. Today, I have more than 4,500 connections, and I'm looking forward to have 10,000 connections in by end of this year.
So I would like to pause you here. So this means that you are now slowly getting into that influencer zone. Once you get to 10,000, you'll become an influencer in your industry actually, which is a great achievement. It's a great milestone. So congratulations.
Yeah, thanks to you.
Yeah, sure.
For motivating. And because of this, connecting on LinkedIn, I've been getting interview calls. Earlier, if I was making around 30 to 40 applications, I would get hardly one call. Now the percentage has increased, let's say, to around 60%. So I get calls about 60% of the applications that I do. And in fact, as I have earlier also told you, that I have cracked a few good opportunities, and I'm still pursuing some of them, and maybe soon I'll be in a position.
Yeah. Well, I think the first opportunity that you got offer, I think for some reason you didn't take it up.
Yes.
The second one, I think right now it's under process, right? If I'm not mistaken. Right. So it's
exactly.
Like it's on the way, right?
Yes, it's on the way.
All right, wonderful.
It's on the way.
So you are soon to get your break. Okay, the career break that you're looking. And Kundan, now, so one of the areas I emphasize on for mid-career working professionals like you is to have a vision for your career, so that you have a sense of direction as well as destination. What is your 3-year career vision? Where do you want to be 3 years from now?
Yeah. So thanks to you for giving the clarity on the vision, or motivating me to get clarity on my vision. So my vision is so for first 6 months from starting ICMP, my 6 months target was becoming a project manager and global pharma R&D. And within the next 3 years, I'll be working as a program manager in a pharma.
Wonderful. And I think this break that you're expecting, it is actually helping. I mean, it has. You'll be achieving your 6-month vision, right?
Yes, exactly.
Wonderful. I'm very happy for you, and I think that will give you that launch platform to fulfill your 3-year vision as well. So I think now you're unstoppable.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Kundan, one more area that I emphasize on is personal branding, the importance of making yourself a visible expert. And I think you have taken a lot of initiatives in that direction. You're showing up on LinkedIn every day. You're actively projecting your expertise, your experience on LinkedIn. So can you throw some light on that, on how things have changed for you because of your rebranding, or sort of your initiative to build a strong personal brand?
So building a personal brand is what I learned through ICMP, and I started following all the steps that you had suggested. And after posting daily on LinkedIn, I was getting connection requests, or even if I'm sending a connection request to big people in the industry, they were keen to accept it. Earlier it was like maybe it was lying in their inboxes, but nobody used to connect. But now people are connecting. So if I send invite, they are connecting. There are also people who are just reading through my post, interested. They are also connecting back to me, viewing my profile, and it also helped me in getting some interview calls as well.
So interview calls, more visibility, more network connections. It's like your popularity is growing in the industry. Am I right?
Yes, exactly.
And it is definitely helping you in attracting career opportunities.
Yes.
Wonderful. The last area that I want to talk about is mindset. So for mid-career professionals like you, the biggest enemy could be your mindset, actually, right? So which actually prevents you from taking actions, which introduces self-doubt. So have you seen any shift in your thought process, in your beliefs, in your mindset ever since you completed the ICMP?
Yeah. So I would say definitely there has been a positive shift in the mindset post ICMP. So earlier it was like just like people around, I used to be cribbing about no growth or other things which are there. But post ICMP, I have been focusing on my career growth, and not just that. Thanks to you, I've been able to motivate few other people to be in a positive mindset. So I think that is one thing which is very important, that positive energy not only is vibrating within me, but I'm able to translate it.
You're transmitting it to others. Wonderful. That's the law of attraction, So once you become positive, you attract more positive and you transmit more positivity, actually.
Yes.
Wonderful. So Kundan, I'm very happy to see the transformation in you. and thanks for sharing this feedback. One last question for you is now, what are some of the unique things you observed or you experienced when you are going through this program? It could be related to the program or the way I do the mentorship. So can you share one or two unique observations or experience?
Yeah. I would like to share two important points. One point is the way the program is structured. It starts with attaining clarity and ends at building a good personal brand and changing the mindset. So the way it is staged, it gets us involved into the program, and not just getting involved but also evolving through the program is one really good thing that I have seen in the ICMP mentorship. And second thing is the way you interact. So usually I have attended prior to meeting you, I have attended one more mentorship program, but it was like in general people are just talking. Nobody's addressing the issues that are coming up. So let's say if I have a personal question, I can ask you in the program, and you definitely answer to it in the best possible way. And just like me, other people are also asking their questions, and that is a kind of a passive learning that is very important in this mentorship program that you're creating for us.
Wonderful. Great. Kundan, thank you for your feedback, and I wish you the very best as you you already embarked on this journey of building an iconic career. And I think an iconic career is probably a few months or couple of years ahead right now. You're on that journey, so wish you the very best. And I look forward to staying connected with you. So thanks again for your time, and have a good day. Bye.
Thanks, Sushant. Bye.